Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the October 2021 Doubleshot kit. The Doubleshot kit comes out each month. It includes 2 brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions and a full color photograph of their finished layout so you can create right along with them. You can also find lots of inspiration over on the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group with the challenges and win some prizes and just have a lot of fun with us. Our 2 collections this month include Autumn Greetings from Photoplay Paper and Fantastico from Obed Marshall. So we have everything you need to document this fall coming up and Thanksgiving, as well as this bright, fun collection to document all of your happy moments. So let's dig in and we're going to take a closer look at both of these collections. Our first collection, Fantastico from Obed Marshall, you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and a sheet of yellow cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one with you. All of the sayings in Spanish. And how sweet. Happy, small moments, living, love. The back is this awesome rainbow ombre. Love this paper. This would be an awesome background. Then we have this one called How Exciting, which is a diagonal stripe in all of the different bright, fun colors of this collection. The back is an orange with a pink kind of squiggly line. You can see this one has full branding strips of what's included on the back side, so a little bit more paper. This one's called Twinkling Lights, and it's the stars in the different patterns. And the back is this geometric print on yellow, so we have some circles and some little squares. So one more look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to receive a roll of washi tape. So these will vary. This is the one that I got. That's different speech bubbles and little badges. You're also going to receive some of the foam phrases. You're going to get some of the ephemera pieces as well. So this is a 1/5 of a pack. So again, all of the embellishments will vary, but this is a good representation of things that you'll be receiving, as well as some enamel shapes. So there are circles, hearts, and stars, and I got them in the aqua color. So that is Fantastico from Obed Marshall. Our second collection is Autumn Greetings from Photoplay Paper. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of Java cardstock and 1 sheet of Laguna cardstock. Your pattern papers are this one called Leaves Are Falling, which has all of the fall colors and the fall leaves. The back is a blue-green polka dot. This one called Lumberjack, which is a beautiful plaid and all of the different colors from this collection. And the back is a 2-toned orange with little leaf fronds. Super cute. This one's called Pumpkin Spice, and it is a text print, brown on brown, thankful, blessed, grateful. And the back is a striped in all of the different colors. Just beautiful colors. So ready for fall and all of the leaves. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have 2 borders. We have a border of apples and then a postage stamp border of the stripes. Lots of word labels, large words for titles and subtitles. There are all of the fall icons, pumpkins and pies, and tabs for traditions and memories, crate of apples, leaves, a little tag, I love fall most of all, which I do. So that is a look at Autumn Greetings from Photoplay Paper. One more look at your Doubleshot kit for October. Be sure to check out all the other kits available. We have one that's the Flavors of the Month, which includes 4 brand new collections if you're looking for more product. Be sure to check out all the other items available in the store and visit us on the Facebook group and the blog to join in on some challenges and have some fun with us. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.